Alright. Welcome back, friends. Let's take a look here. So, I haven't checked on the thing yet, and I'm keeping my eye up there on the 2 out of 5 players. This is a full PC team. And could it be a fun one? Player 3 ready again. Could it be SWF? Could we finally have a full coordinated group? I mentioned in the last video, which I mentioned at the end of one of my videos, where I'm probably going to upload it as Ash was OP, but not OP enough with SWF. At the end of that video, where basically it came down to me and Army of the Dead Ash or something like that. It's that warrior one that everybody likes to play and thinks is OP. But I mean, yeah, he's difficult with the right weapons and everything, but he ain't all that. Anyways, I mentioned at the end of that I had one loss since switching to this build and doing the basic build, basic units, basic portals, and I think that was a full SWF as well. But like I said in that video, one of my problems was that I didn't respect the game. Let's say. See if we can find that chest.
A group of the living.
Where am I? I'm in Fishing Village. Oh, dude, there's got to be chests all over. Wait a minute.
And the Kandarian dagger. Your task is simple. Kill these fools.
Can't get out that way. Oh, I gotta. There's the dark ones. There has got to be a stinking box around here somewhere. There's one. I saw it, didn't hear it. There. I mean, always, it gives you the first, ooh.
Your orders were clear. The humans must not obtain a single piece of the map. And now they have. We find this disconcerting.
Are they gonna be good? I'm so excited. There. I'm so excited. This might be a good group, and it'll go long, go long. Shouldn't there be a box on one of these here? There. Where is my marker? There it is. Really?
The map is a step closer to completion. This was not the plan.
This is a small map too,
Try dismemberment.
Little basic. We're at the caves. Ah. They are trying to rush this down too. There. Infernal energy. You're gonna come out of the cave right here. There. 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 There we go, one down.
Patch him up.
Nice game.
Give me some shit.
There we go.
Rise and shine,
A
sleeping
little
beauty.
basic.
The humans have completed the map.
Okay, that's fine. That's
Locate
fine.
their souls
There.
and swallow at will.
There. 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 What they're not going to do is they're not going to come pick this person up. Or are they? Nope, get off of her. Nope, get off of her.
Rise and shine, sleeping beauty.
Don't rush me down. Don't rush me down. You have any idea what I'm gonna do to you? I'm just gonna trap this just for fun at this point. Threat level 10. They've used her power. Oh yeah, you're gonna hit that too, ain't you? Boss. Stuck. Oh. Mister. Oh, I'm just focusing down this Cheryl. Poor Cheryl. Whoop, where'd I go? Basic. Oh, just for fun. There, 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 there. Are y'all gonna loot up this house? Or at least try?
I'm supposed to use it.
There. 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 All we're gonna do now is we're just gonna trap everything up between them and there. Oh, you cannot leave somebody behind on me. Got you stuck now. Under pressure, pushing down on me, pushing down on you. You don't want to walk across this road? You want to just come hang out on this road, huh? Oh man. There, there, there. Oh, we're so...
I need an amulet for research purposes.
Where are you gonna go? Oh, you're gonna go to the pages. We're like right here next to the pages. Okay. Oh my God! Let me set it. There. 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 There.
The lost pages have been activated by the living. Now would be a good time to end their lives.
I like it. Okay. Do that. We'll stand in here. We can't do boss, we'll do infernal energy. We'll do possession. Down.
On your feet.
And zap.
Lost a friend, but it's all
I prefer sparking.
There, he's down. There you go, get out of there, get out of there, regress, regress, regress the pages. Oh, get him, get him, get him. He's bleeding out.
You got real ugly.
Got him. Got him. Oh, please tell me that was a SWF. Oh, got him.
The light of humanity has been
There's that Ash. I'm telling you. See, I mean, he's got a lot of health.
all eternity.
He's got a lot of health. But there you have it. Don't rush me down. Don't rush it down. That's but I guess you got to be coordinated. You have to stay together. You have to always be on point. I don't know a great way to defeat this build. I don't know a great way to outside of just absolute perfect execution. I don't know if they could have split up or something, but I don't know. Sometimes I guess I just wish I had a really coordinated team to go up against and try and try different battle tactics and so forth. Like, how can I work this or that and the other, whichever way. When you get up to that Portal Basic max level, man, I used to not really have a Portal Basic max level until much later in the game. And on spawning that, you get, I don't like the traps. I don't like the traps with the Elite. But the Portal Basic max all the way up, I think it's like 3 basics that pop out of there. And then you pick one of them, and you and your 2 buddies just go to work. And that's why I have said that even into the late game, if you watch my talent build video, which is which should be entitled, I think it's Puppeteer, a basic introduction or something like that is what I called it, or an introduction to basics or something. I go over my build, and if you don't down my basic unit quickly, if he's up for 30 seconds, that is I think it's 3% damage per second, so that's 3% times 30 more damage that each and every single hit is going to do to you. And I think that's where that extra tick comes in. If you go back and watch, it's really kind of been confusing me a little bit, because I'll get a hit and then there'll be another tick, almost like a bleed damage afterwards if you've got that talent into Eligos. The hit causes bleed. That one stacks. But if you watch mine, they'll get it. They'll have a hit, and then there will be a tick afterwards. And I wonder if the Kandarian Fury talent doesn't just add it into the basic hit. It adds it on as supplemental damage after the fact, almost like a bleed tick or something. But if you don't down my basic unit quickly, my possessed basic unit, which is pretty hard to do, as you can see. I mean, you've gotta at least 2-man me and know what you're doing. If you're really good, and we can kind of have a nice little back and forth. There's been some really good back and forths with some of the guys. I've gone up against a Henry that's really good. I've gone up against I think an Ed that's really good, an Ash that's really good. Some of these melee warriors that really have a really good grasp on how to execute melee. You can overcome it. The heavy maul weapon, the sledgehammer weapon, that seems to work very effectively if you can get some really good hits and you're not a button masher and you're pretty good at the animation cancels. We've run into a couple of those people too. Anyways, I'll let it go for there. I might go ahead and just do one more for tonight. But so all their souls, demons. Catch you on the next one.